Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the iMessage error that you always encounter on your iPhone. Okay, so if you have this type of issue on your iPhone message application, let me show you how to fix that. Okay, so what you need to do is to open up your phone settings. Okay, tap and open up your phone settings, and then from here you go to scroll down. All right, scroll down until you get to the messages application. Okay, so when you see that, you click and open the messages application, and then the next thing you want to do from here is to toggle the button on the iMessage option. So toggle it on and then click on OK. All right, so when you click on OK, the next thing you're going to do is to click on send and receive. Okay, you can see send and receive. Click on that. So now you got to verify your phone number, and then the next thing is to click on use your Apple ID for iMessage. Okay, so click on use your Apple ID for iMessage and then click on sign in. Okay, so after you have signed in, you wait for some seconds. Okay, so it will synchronize and then it will verify. Okay, after the verification, you can now go back. Okay, after you have gone back, you can decide to scroll around and then check out some settings. Okay, but I don't think there's any changes. The next thing you do is to minimize, and then you can see that we have finally resolved the issue. So if you have any question or you have any issue on your iPhone, you can drop that in the comment section. Okay guys, peace out.